To set up your birthday and anniversary bots, head to your admin section. Under Celebration Bots, click Birthday. You can set the reward value of the birthday celebration to be whatever you'd like. This is the amount of trophies that will be given to your employees on their birthday. You can customize the GIF and the birthday message. Just be sure to keep the variables in the curly brackets in the message. These are what populate the message with the employee's own name and the company name. This message will automatically get sent to each employee on their birthday as a post in assembly, and they will be notified via email as well. Employees whose birthdays occur this month will appear in this list, and for any employees whose birthdays are missing, you can add them directly in here. Once you've got all your settings configured, click Activate. To set up your anniversary bot, click Anniversary on the left menu. Like birthdays, you can set the reward value of the anniversary celebration. You can also configure the value to increase every year. So for their first year, they will get the original amount. And for every year after that, they will get whatever percentage more. You can also customize the GIF and the message here. Again, just be sure to keep the variables in the curly brackets intact. Otherwise, the message and/or points may not properly deliver. Also, like birthdays, any employee whose anniversaries occur this month will appear in this list. Once everything looks good, click Activate. While we don't allow non-admins to adjust their birthday and anniversary dates on their own, you can always manually adjust them by clicking Users and Manage in the left menu. Click on the member whose birthday or anniversary you'd like to change or add. Click the Edit icon. Add in or change their birthday and anniversary, and click Confirm. Now they'll receive a birthday and anniversary celebration on those dates. And there you have it, birthdays and anniversaries made easy. Enjoy!